Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to get Google on your TV now. First, confirm your TV supports HDMI and Wi-Fi. Get a Chromecast with Google TV or Android TV box. Plug the device into an HDMI port, attach power, and switch the TV input to that port. Once the boot screen appears, follow the on-screen pairing code prompts. Make sure your phone or laptop is nearby for quick account entry and Wi-Fi selection so you move straight into setup. Now you'll connect and configure. Sign in with your Google account when prompted. If you have two-step verification, complete that to secure access. Select your Wi-Fi network, prefer 5 GHz for streaming, enter the password, and allow system updates to install. These ensure app compatibility. Once rebooted, open the Play Store to install YouTube, Google TV, and any streaming apps you use. Make sure Google Play Services is updated, as it controls casting and notifications between devices. Finish by pairing the remote and any Bluetooth audio devices, then calibrate display and sound in settings so apps look and sound right. Test casting. Open a cast-enabled app on your phone, tap Cast, and choose your TV. Play a short video to confirm. If you can't sign in or cast, reboot the TV device and your router, then retry. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi band and credentials. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.